What's good, everybody? It's your girl Chrissy the God, Chrissy the Baddest, and we are back in Chrissy's Corner. And as you can see, I already have a piece blow dried for my perm rod set. So we're gonna do the orange perm rods. I don't know the sizes, I don't even know the colors, and these are the orange ones. I think these will work pretty well. I think these are like the normal size ones. But yes, we're about to do this perm rod set on my hair, and as you can see, it's gonna be on stretched hair. I just feel like I wanted it to be some volume and some definition. And to be real with y'all, this is my first time ever doing one, so I'm kind of nervous. But I think the last time I tried one before was really, I tried a flexi rod set and it didn't work. I didn't try it on stretched hair, nor did I know what I was doing, because like I didn't even use any foam or anything like that. I wasn't doing what I was supposed to do. So I think this is actually gonna turn out okay. As always, before we get into the video, let me tell you the products we're using. Today we are going to be using the R96 collection by Rochelle Mosley, who is a family friend of mine, and today we'll be using the R96 foam. I already like the smell of it. I've already used some already, as you can see. And look at the nozzle, I like that a lot. And then we're gonna be using a tad bit of this Charlie cream just for like sheen and stuff like that. And of course, I got a little bit of hair in here, sorry y'all. This is what it looks like. And it smells so good, and I've been using this before and I love it, but I wanted to do a video of me just using these products. And of course, it'll all be linked down below, per usual. But yes, this is what it is. This is what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna get into. So let's get into the video. Theme song. Okay guys, so I've already done a part, as I've said, for like the umpteenth time. And so I'm gonna do these other 3 parts. And I'm gonna be using this. Shout out to Miss Gabby, my friend, and she put me onto this. And this is a curly girl's dream, you guys. This is like, eliminates so much time of blow drying. I blow dried this in 10 minutes max. And it was really like blow dry, but I really went in and got it a little straighter, because I really want this perm rod set to be super duper smooth, and I just want to ensure that it's going to be smooth by going in as much as possible with this blow dryer. So before I go back in, I just want to say this is Revlon. Let's see what the box says. This is the box. You can get it at like Ulta, any of those type of stores. You can really probably get it on Amazon, and it's not that expensive. I feel like I saw it on Ulta for like $19, but then I see it other places for a little more pricey. So I will also link this down below, so don't worry about that. And this is Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. Mind you, this is what my shrinkage looks like, if anybody wants to know. I don't have that much shrinkage, but it's still there. I start out with cool, high, and then I go down to low, warm when I start getting through it more. And now let's get into the second half of my hair. Hey poos, so we're back and we about to get into this freaking thing right here. The best thing to do is work in sections. So right now I'm going through with the comb just to get all the little kinks out, because girl, we can't do kinks in this style. We can't do kinks. It's got to be smooth. So we're gonna take out this little 36 pad. 36. Let's pray 36 is enough. I hope it is. 36 should be enough. The first thing we finna do is we finna take, it's so cool. We finna take this sucker right here. And we gonna take it on here. Okay? And we gonna, where the
Wait.
Oop, where the heck? Trying to find the comb. Okay, let's smooth that sucker on out. You feel me? And the most important, listen up, people. The most important part about this thing right here, you gotta get them ends. This is not a smooth style, especially the ends. Y'all know if the ends are like crap, throw the whole style away. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take it, you're gonna tuck your ends, and then you're gonna keep rolling. And then we halfway through, so we're gonna do this and then roll it up. Okay, we can do this. And then you just secure, just like that. So that's uno. It's not as tight, but it's the back, so it's okay. Gonna take some cream. Gonna put some at the root this time so everything can be smoother. Cause if that little back curl look like some crap, it's okay. I might just do her over to be real. We gonna take the next flexi rod. More product on that end, girl, cause that has to come out good. This got to be straight. Tuck that down like that right there, and you twist. And we halfway there. And you halfway there. So you turn and you turn. Ooh, this about to be tight as heck. Pretty much did everything except for this little last part.
That's what the fuck I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
This little last part right here for you guys. And I'm probably gonna go in and go over some of the ones that I feel like are frizzy and look gross. I wanted to do some sort of a side part, so this is like the part and we're in the middle. So once again, we finna take this right here. Take this right here. Then y'all got to tuck. It's really simple when you got OD product on your ends. You flip her like that right there, and you twist till you get like halfway, and then you turn around, then you go up some more, and then you turn around, and then you get it as tight as you can, and then you stick that sucker there. Period. Hey y'all, so we're back. It's the next day and they've been drying. I sat on the dryer last night from about 4 to 6. Yeah. So we're about to take these down. I'm extremely nervous, but yeah, we're gonna take these back. And most of them are taken out and they look so good. I'm so excited. I just want to show you how to take them out. So this is the last one. Y'all freaking see these? As soon as we get to separating, poo, these are about to look like chef's freaking kiss. Wow. Okay, so now we're about to separate. So this is the one side. This is the unpulled side, but now this is it pulled and all that. And I'm just in love because I look like Shirley Temple, most certainly. But I know once I get to freaking tugging at it some more and messing with it some more and picking it, the volume of my hair will be astronomical. Okay, so here I am looking like Shirley Temple, but the curls came out pretty good. The bottom is a little janky, but it's okay because it's the bottom. I like James Brown.
No cap.
Right now, I feel like it needs some time to fall and drop before we're like, okay, this is it. But the curls came out so good. So I have faith in this style. We ain't come this far to be stopped right here. Jesus. So I have faith in this style. We ain't come this far to be stopped right here. Okay, and this is the final result. I'm lit. I even did my makeup for y'all. This how good I'm feeling. But not for real. This is a perm rod set on stretched hair. I'm feeling myself. Look, y'all. I'm gonna zoom in on the curls for y'all so y'all could see. Some of them is a little raggedy, but it's okay. Like even the back ones is flourishing. But yes, of course, make sure to give it a good picking out. Very content with this hair, baby. So yes, everybody, this is my perm rod set on stretched out hair, of course, with R96 products. Of course, it's a little frizzy. I still love it. This definitely is a winter style, a Thanksgiving look. I might even do this for this upcoming Thanksgiving. I'm gonna keep picking even when I don't think it's that big. Cause girl, I know my hair is capable of, and I want that sucker to be big, okay? But this is what we're giving. This is what we're giving today. I'm content. I really am. I'm just so pleased that all of my styles have been working out so far. But yes, once again, if you like it what you see, use that subscribe button for me. And then like, this has concluded another episode in Carizy's Corner. Okay. I'll see y'all next time.